Your air filter on your car, and that saves you about $50. So next time, shoot, there you go. I hope this video was very helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Shut up, 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 shut up.